Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the silver price has moved in the last week and how the silver price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart, I have already told you to keep one thing in mind, that if the price goes below a level of 22.200, below this level, then we can see it can go and can touch a level of 900 or 800. Okay, 21.9. Why I was telling you, because there was a reason, and the support was already tested 2-3 times, so chances were very high that it could have break this level. And if you checked, once this level has crossed downside, we have seen this, it has made a low of around 21.885. now currently it is trading at this level. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in silver is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Okay, see, as I have already told you in my previous video, you can go and check where I have told you that if the price goes below a level of 22.2, then probability is there it can go and touch a level of 21.9. okay, and there is a probability it can go further low. Okay, now if we look at the price, the support coming at around 21.480. okay, so this is a big support where we can see there can be a bounce back from this level. Okay, so chances will be very high we can see a bounce back from this level. If the price suppose didn't sustain this support also, then we can see it can go and touch a level 21.290. okay, which is again a strong support, or further it can go and touch a level of 19.960. okay, so now what we can see looking at this chart, okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, so let's talk about the downside, because the trend is continuously on the downside. Okay, since 15th of November we can see that the trend is in the downward side. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 21.480. okay, sorry, before that it can touch a level of 21.670, and if it didn't sustain that level also, then we can see a level of 21.480. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see yes it can go further low to a level of 21.290, and if it didn't sustain that level also, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 19.960. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain 19.960 also, before that, suppose if it didn't sustain that level, then we can see yes it can go and touch a level of 19.526. okay, once this level crossed downside, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 18.914. so this is what you have to keep in mind. If the price goes below a level of 21.422, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 20.138, or it can go further low to a level of 19.648, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 18.976. okay, suppose if the price sustain, chances will be very high that it can go and touch a level of 22.401. oh sorry, if it goes above this level and if it sustain, then we can see the next resistance we can see is coming at around 22.156, and if the price sustain above this level 22.156, then we can see it can go and touch a level 22.584. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.829, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see yes it can go and touch a level 23.196. okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 23.6855, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 24.236. again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain above this level, what is trading it now, chances are high we can see it can go and touch a level 22.217, and from there we can see it can go up to a level of 22.584. okay, once 22.584 is touched, then we can see it can go and touch a level 23.135, and from there it can go and touch a level 24.174. suppose if the price sustain of this level, then we can see it can go further upside, because then there will be a probability a cup pattern will form, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 24.725, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 25.092, and if the price sustain of this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level 25.826, and from there we can see it can go and touch level 26 also. Okay, any doubt? One more thing I have to explain you, that if the price, remember one thing, that if the price sustain above this level, okay, suppose if the price, what you have to understand is whatever your capital is 10,000, suppose, okay, suppose 10,000, and what you have to do is you have to use 10% of your capital for, or minimum you can use 10 to 20% as per your risk appetite, but always keep your stop loss from 0.5 to 1. Suppose you are trading with 10,000, your trading should be come with $1,000 or $500. Okay, then 0.5 to 1 is your risk. Okay, any doubt you can mail me. I have already given you a mail ID. So any doubt, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please